You've spotted mold in your home. Now what? The first thing most Phoenix homeowners do is panic, or worse, grab a bottle of bleach and start scrubbing. Here's why both of those responses can make things significantly worse. Mold spreads through spores. The moment you disturb mold without proper containment, those spores become airborne and travel to other areas of your home, areas that were previously clean. Within days, what was a contained problem in one room becomes a much larger issue throughout your property. Here's what you should actually do. Step 1. Don't touch it, don't disturb it, don't spray it, and don't run fans near it. Airflow spreads spores. Step 2. Identify and stop the moisture source. Mold cannot grow without moisture. If you have a leaking pipe, a roof issue, or ongoing humidity problem, that source needs to be addressed, or the mold will return regardless of what gets cleaned up. Step 3. Call a licensed mold remediation company. Professional remediation involves containment barriers, HEPA air filtration, full removal of affected materials, and post-remediation testing to confirm the area is clear. At ALM Services, we've handled mold remediation for Phoenix homeowners for years. One customer put it simply, high-quality work and great value. Second to none. IICRC certified. AZ licensed and insured. 24/7 emergency response. Call ALM Services at 602-257-8000 or visit almservices.construction. Don't wait, mold spreads fast.